Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or games issues. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first of all, So if you're facing issues with Microsoft Store not downloading apps or games, there could be various reasons causing the problem. So here are some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the issue. So first, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your internet is low or unstable, it can affect the download process. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. Next is to check Microsoft Store status. Occasionally, the Microsoft Store service may experience downtime or issues. Check the status of Microsoft Store services on the official Xbox Live status page, which is this one. So just go ahead and open your browser and type this URL. Okay? Or you can check other reliable sources to see if there are any reported outages. Next, restart Microsoft Store. Close the Microsoft Store app completely and then relaunch it. Sometimes, restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches. Clear Microsoft Store cache. So to do that, these are the steps. So first, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Once you've opened the Run dialog, type wsreset.exe without the quotes and press enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache. The Microsoft Store will open automatically after the cache is cleared. Next, sign out and sign in. Sign out of your Microsoft account from the Microsoft Store and then sign back in. This can refresh your account settings and resolve download issues. Next is update Windows. Ensure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and check for any pending updates. Next, check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes cause issues with Microsoft Store. Verify that your date and time settings are correct by right-clicking on the date and time in the taskbar and selecting Adjust Date or Time. Disable Proxy or VPN. If you are using a proxy or VPN, try disabling it temporarily as it might interfere with Microsoft Store downloads. Next, check storage space. Ensure that you have enough free space on your drive to download and install apps or games. The next one, reset Microsoft Store. So to do that, these are the steps. First, open Settings, select Apps, then Apps and Features. Scroll down and find Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store and then click on the Advanced Options link. Click the Reset button to reset the app. Okay? So next one is to run Windows Troubleshooter. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to automatically detect and fix common issues related to Microsoft Store. And lastly, check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall and antivirus software are not blocking the Microsoft Store from downloading. If the issue persists, even after trying the previous steps, you may want to consider contacting Microsoft support for further assistance, as there might be specific issues with your system that require more in-depth troubleshooting. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!